Hey guys, Dazanar here. I'm at a subdivision kind of near my home, and I just wanted to show you guys this little restoration project here. This little cute little restoration project. So here in Florida, at some point a few decades ago, when they started building houses and tearing down all the land, Florida lawmakers made a law that said for all the water that gets displaced or yada yada yada, you had to set up these retention ponds. And so they did. So what they did is they just dug these huge holes out of the ground where there used to be forest or swamp or whatever on top of, and put all the water that might have been in the area here for storage for water creatures and the such. The problem was that's all they did. They dug a hole and put water in it. And that doesn't make much of an ecosystem. You'll get like algae blooms and some aquatic species maybe colonizing it. And the only fish that they brought in were these fish that are like mosquito eating fish. They eat the larvae. So a lot of these ponds aren't even stocked properly with fish, but that's not bad because there's no food for them here. Which is why projects like this, which are trying to bring natural native aquatic species back into these retention ponds, are a huge boon for biodiversity in general. The fish that would be in these bodies of water and the mollusks and anything else, they would need these micro habitats to create little food from seeds or other animals that find micro environments here. And it's all, you know, a food cycle that feeds into itself. And the more plants you have, the more ability and diverse that food cycle and that it can support. The problem is we just don't have it, you know. Like, there are so few projects like this, and there are so few retention ponds that have plants in general. It's just depressing, and it's something that we've missed out on here in Florida. It's like, it seems common sense to me that we could have our retention ponds better suited for wildlife and for cleaning water and storing water and being an actual ecosystem. And all it would take is, you know, some water plants that we install around there and protect for a year or two while they establish. It's just shocking that we haven't started such a simple idea sooner. So if you have any influence in your local HOA, or you are able to get into the meetings, Zoom meetings, whatever happens, maybe bring up this idea that a simple clean for your retention ponds would be planting native plants and cleaning them up too. You guys can clean them up because they're filthy. There's so much plastic in these. Anyways, quick video. Thought you guys might want to hear me talk about some simple restoration projects that would be easy for any one of us here in Florida to get started on, if you can get in contact with your HOA and if they aren't cheapskates. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun things. Thank you guys for tuning in.